Hey guys, welcome back to Mississippi, and we are in the Sistercar Street Racing house with the Qiner LED curtain lights. She saw these on the channel and bought some, and so me and Patricia are going to install these today. These are not the ones I have because these also have Wi-Fi. These do Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Mine only do Bluetooth, so she wanted the ability to control from her phone. Let's get this opened up and see what's inside, because at some point we have to install these outside in that beautiful backyard. Let's open it right up. We're back in Mississippi. We have all this cool artwork behind us for the first unboxing of the Sistercar Street Racing house. And we have this LED curtain light from Qiner. They were so generous to send me one, and my sister saw it and liked it and purchased this one. And this does use the SCSR Life app to work over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. We have a cat that knows he's on camera because he will not stop. And so we're gonna get this unboxed and take a look at it. We're gonna have to figure out where to install it. I found power on the fence, so I think I see a good place for it, but we'll go out there and check it out. So we got the Qiner curtain lights up here on the table, and these are 2 meters, which I believe is 6 point something feet, if you do the translation here. And when you get these out of the box, you're basically going to get a remote control, which that's what I mainly use inside the studio. I use the remote, and I like the star mode. When you press the star mode on the remote, it changes to a different predetermined pattern, and it actually does drawings, which is pretty cool, and I really like that. Here's the manual for this, and you can see it gives you all kinds of information about it and how to download the app. And then inside of the box here, you got the actual curtain lights, and to me, the hardest part about this install is getting these lights kind of laid out and ready to hang. And then they just do hang off of hooks, and they just kind of fall down, so it's really easy to put up after you have something to hook them to, which we do not. So I'm gonna go look at the fence and see what we're dealing with out here and where these can go. But this is how it works. This is your power box here. That has to get power, so it will need an extension cord. And then the rest of it just kind of hooks to whatever you have available. All right, let's go outside and see what we got outside. Hey, dude. Okay, this project is officially postponed. Came outside and it was already raining. It was supposed to rain for a few hours today, but we have to get this over to that fence and installed somewhere, and really not sure how I'm gonna do that. I guess I could run a wire across. Yeah, I think she has some wire. I'll just run it across the fence and hang it on that. I guess that's the best way to do it. Okay, so we're going out to the garage to find something to string the lights on. That's all we need right there. Fishing line. So we're gonna use this fishing line, and it's really close. Okay, we're out here with Patricia at the pool and the group text, and then we have just this one plant in the way. So I think what we're gonna do is move that plant over here, and then we're going to use this one section of fence because there's power available right here. All we have to do is we could do two things. We could take advantage of that string of lights, pull it tight, hang the curtain lights off of that. I think is a better idea. Yeah, we could just wrap it a couple of wraps on each side. No fingers over the. Oh, my case is shattered.
Got him! Got him! Oh! Whoa!
Did you drop the phone?
Oh, the phone is broken. Hold on. We got to check this out. All right, so I'm going to get the slide kit out and kind of lay it out. But first, I'm going to make these just a little bit tighter on the lights. And so now we can just power brick is here, so that has to go to power, either directly or from the extension cord down there. So that'll be on that side. This is a complete mess when you take it out. We got all the lights laid out while she went to change, and so everything is ready to go. So if we both grab one end and go up to the fence, we should just be able to hook the ends on after we pull it tight, and then just kind of thread it on. You hold the camera,
okay,
and take your end, which is right here. Run them tighter left and down a bit.
are you going to hook all of those to the thing?
Much like that. So the lights are on. Probably have to get an extension cord right here because this can't close. So we'll need some type of extension cord. We'll run a little extension and then they can bury their cable in the garden. But until tonight, and we need my sister's phone for the app. We got the lights going, as you can see, and you can see the power button there. They turn on. All right, I got an extension cord right here for this just to get this box closed. We're going to go ahead and install this here. But basically all we're using this for is to close this box. They can tape this up with like electrical tape. And now we'll get the remote and test it. And it does in fact work.
Yeah.
And then this they can bury. They can just coil it up and bury it in the mulch. And then bury the wire going over there, and this thing's ready to rock. So we'll see you guys tonight. All right, we're going outside to check out the lights. And we have the coolest. That's insane.
What the heck?
What is it?
I know what it is. Do you know what it is?
I do know what it is.
What is it?
A witch riding a broom. That is all right. Patricia, you get to go. That is freaking cool. Yes. She is going to freak out when she sees it. All right, so hit the star. Okay, so wow. That actually looks so good on the white fence. It diffuses it. So actually, hold on. We're going to move this plant aside. All right, so we moved everything out of the way. And this is the Qiner Curtain light. Look how... We're going to come back out when it gets completely dark, but this thing looks cool. Patricia, go through the star. The star setting on the remote is all the pre-programmed patterns.
Oh, that's cool.
Now I got to put
like
one
the
outside.
color well.
I feel like this is amazing.
Oh, it's a
Christmas tree. Apple. Reverse. In trouble if they did it the right way. Whoa.
That one's...
Wait, leave it there.
Look, that's your cousin.
Okay, so we're just going through all the cool patterns, and so this is the star on the remote. If you want to go through the pre-programmed patterns, hearts, that's some kind of
Santa
something.
Claus?
There are people dancing in this, and it's so weird because we're so close, you can only really see it on the camera.
Yeah, you.
I'm
have
sure
to
if we
look at it
backed
through
up-
the camera.
Yeah, and there's a dude.
Oh, that was Pac-Man.
That's
what
a
we
skull.
just saw was Pac-Man.
Alright guys, I'm getting eaten by all the bugs in Mississippi right now, so we're going to wrap this video up. But as you can see right here, we installed this Qiner LED, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi curtain light for my sister on her fence, and it looks so cool reflecting off the fence because the fence is nice and white. And there's so many pre-programmable patterns that there's kind of an... We haven't even gone through them all. We went through them for like 10 minutes and we didn't hit the end. We left the skull. And when you're up close, you can't even tell, but if you step back a little bit, makes such a cool picture. This is amazing. Like, this looks so cool. You guys should definitely look into this through Qiner. We'll put a link in the description. Please support, like, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. I gotta get out of here. I'm getting eaten.
Hey, dude.